Hi, my name is Claudia Hortelano and I am Principal Consultant in Schneider Electric for Process Electrification Practice. Let's talk about electrification in ports. Did you know that around 15% of the energy consumption in a port comes from equipment powered by diesel? And that 70% comes from vessels and ships relying on heavy fuel power? This statistic proves electrification can have a huge positive impact on reducing emissions in the shipping sector. Transitioning to electric power in ports presents a great opportunity but has challenges. The power requirements for electrification can increase up to 4 to 7 times the current levels. This calls for planning, efficient energy supply, and effective energy management. That is where we come in. Our consultancy solutions are designed to support customers in this transition. But what really makes us different is that we assist customers in comprehending the steps to execute a smooth transition through 3 stages: strategy, feasibility, and operability. Let's take an example of cold ironing at a port. In the strategy phase for cold ironing, we analyze the port electrical setup, focusing on critical aspects like capacity, regulation, and operational effects. Even provide advice on technology selection. During the feasibility phase, we present the technical and economical outcomes of integrating cold ironing into the electrical distribution. In the operability phase, we design ship-to-grid electrical connection and digital system for both power distribution and usage, ensuring the most optimal system. Our team of experts will deliver a clear and comprehensive report on electrification in ports. Whether it is we have the expertise to guide you in every step of the way. Electrification is not just an environmental necessity, but also an opportunity for innovation and growth. Imagine a port that runs on clean, renewable energy, reducing its carbon footprint, reaping economical benefits through reduced fuel costs and improved efficiency. This is the future we envision for our customer, and we are here to make it a reality. Stay tuned for more insight from the process electrification team. Connect and follow me on LinkedIn to stay updated and learn more about what we do.